What if the financial decisions you make today could shape your future in ways you never imagined? In 2026, it's not just about saving more money or working harder. It's about making smarter decisions and leveraging new technology. Imagine a future where your wealth grows effortlessly, where your investments are secure, and where your professional output can multiply in value. Sounds intriguing, right? In this video, we'll dive into the top 8 financial decisions you need to make today to improve your future. These decisions go beyond traditional thinking and will set you up for long-term success. Stay tuned, because these moves could change your financial destiny. 1. Invest in cognitive equity. In 2026, the future of work is shifting in a profound way. Traditional work models are no longer the only path to financial growth. The key to future-proofing your career is investing in something that will make you exponentially more valuable: your mind. This is where cognitive equity comes into play. Rather than just relying on your current skills, imagine upgrading your professional capacity through artificial intelligence tools or neural sync technologies. These are cutting-edge systems that can boost your output and efficiency, helping you achieve what would normally take multiple people. By setting aside a specific upgrading fund for these technologies, you can stay ahead of the curve and become the go-to expert in your field. The future impact of investing in cognitive equity is immense. As AI continues to take over mundane tasks, the demand for high-level consultants who can navigate complex projects and make strategic decisions will only rise. Those who embrace AI as a tool to augment their abilities will be in the best position to command the highest rates, regardless of their job title. This isn't just about adding more work to your plate. It's about making the work you do significantly more valuable. By adopting this approach, you position yourself as an essential asset in the future workforce, one that cannot be easily replaced by automation. And the best part? These investments will pay off not just in the short term, but well into the future as your professional output multiplies. 2. Diversify into sovereign jurisdictions. In a rapidly changing global economy, securing your wealth requires more than just keeping everything in your home country's banking system. The rise of decentralized finance, DeFi, and globalized digital asset platforms means that you now have the opportunity to protect your wealth from local economic instability, inflation, and political shifts. By diversifying your investments into sovereign jurisdictions, you spread your assets across different global economies. You can now use platforms that allow you to hold a portion of your wealth in stablecoins backed by a basket of international currencies, or store your assets in hardware-secured digital forms. This is a smart move in 2026, as it shields you from fluctuations in your home country's economic policies. The future impact of this decision is profound. By holding assets outside the reach of your local government, you protect your wealth from unforeseen events like currency devaluation, inflation, or economic downturns that could leave your domestic assets vulnerable. Sovereign diversification ensures that your money works for you globally, making it a crucial decision for anyone looking to secure their long-term financial stability. In the coming years, as the world becomes more interconnected, your ability to think globally will be a key factor in protecting your financial future. The more diverse your portfolio, the better equipped you'll be to handle economic shifts and changes in policy that could affect your local markets. 3. Opt for equity-heavy compensation. When negotiating a new job contract or promotion in 2026, consider opting for a compensation package that includes more equity rather than a higher base salary. This approach could give you a significant advantage in building long-term wealth. By choosing performance-based equity or phantom stock, you align your success with the success of the company. This means that as the company grows, so does the value of your equity. Rather than just relying on a fixed paycheck, This compensation structure allows you to ride the wave of the company's growth, creating an opportunity for substantial financial gains over time. The future impact of this decision is clear. Equity compensation is often taxed at a lower rate than regular income, meaning that you get to keep more of your gains. In addition, as companies continue to grow and innovate, the multiplier effect of equity can be much higher than a steady salary. This decision allows you to take part in the financial upside of the company, potentially creating a massive wealth-building opportunity that traditional salary-based compensation can't provide. By negotiating for equity, you're not just working for a paycheck. You're investing in your own future and the company's potential for growth. Over time, this decision can lead to a more secure and prosperous financial future. 4. Establish a climate-resilient real estate strategy. Real estate has always been a solid investment, but in 2026, it's no longer just about location. With climate change impacting different regions, it's important to think long-term about the sustainability and resilience of your property investments. Before making any real estate purchases, use predictive climate modeling tools to assess potential risks for floods, heat, or rising insurance premiums. These tools allow you to see how your property could be affected by climate shifts over the next 30 years, ensuring that you avoid investing in stranded assets that may become uninsurable or unsellable in the future. The future impact of this decision is crucial. As climate change continues to affect various regions, properties in high-risk areas could quickly lose value. By making informed decisions now and choosing properties that are less vulnerable to environmental risks, you ensure that your investments are protected for decades to come. This strategy gives you peace of mind knowing that your real estate investments won't be devalued by climate-related factors. A climate-resilient real estate strategy is one of the best ways to future-proof your wealth in 2026. It allows you to invest wisely, minimizing risk and maximizing long-term returns, all while contributing to a more sustainable world. 5. Front-load your health savings, HSA 2.0. In 2026, the saying "health is wealth" has never been more relevant. The rising costs of healthcare make it essential to plan ahead, and the best way to do that is by front-loading your health savings account, HSA. Rather than just using your HSA for basic medical expenses, consider maxing it out and using it as a long-term investment vehicle. By investing the funds in longevity-focused healthcare or preventative biotech diagnostics, you can grow your savings while ensuring that your future medical expenses are covered. These investments can provide you with proactive health solutions, preventing chronic illnesses and reducing future healthcare costs. 6. Create a digital legacy trust. As digital assets continue to grow in importance, securing your digital legacy is becoming just as essential as planning your traditional estate. In 2026, a digital legacy trust is the best way to ensure that your online assets, including intellectual property, IP, social media accounts, and cryptocurrency holdings, are properly passed on to your heirs. By setting up a trust using smart contracts, you can create a dead man's switch that automatically transfers ownership of your digital assets upon your death. This ensures that your assets are not lost or inaccessible, and that your heirs can benefit from them in the future. 7. Shift to usage-based insurance models. Insurance in 2026 is evolving, and usage-based insurance models are leading the charge. Instead of paying flat-rate premiums for your car, home, or health insurance, consider switching to telemetric-based models that reward low-risk behavior. These models track how much you use the service, whether it's your car, home, or health, and offer discounts based on your usage. For example, if you drive less or maintain a healthy lifestyle, you could see significant reductions in your premiums. 8. Build a human-only professional network. In 2026, as AI takes over more tasks, human connections will become even more valuable. The key to success in the future workforce will be the relationships you build with others. Investing time and money into high-level, in-person mastermind groups or professional guilds is an essential move. While AI can handle the what, humans will handle the who. Personal trust and referrals will become the most valuable currency in your professional life. And by cultivating a strong human-only network, you position yourself for success. And there you have it. 8 financial decisions that will transform your future in 2026 and beyond. These decisions go beyond traditional wisdom, positioning you to take advantage of new technologies, protect your assets, and build wealth in ways that weren't possible before. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with others, and subscribe for more insights on securing your financial future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.